Hi, this is Melody Wilson with the RE/LIFE team at RE/MAX Real Estate. The March 2016 stats are in, and it's officially the spring market, and thankfully the statistics are backing it up. The inventory level continues to rise at 5,310 listings for sale in March, but the sales are also up. There were 1,021 properties sold in March. So what that means is your chances of selling has gone up to 19.23%, which is a 41.64% increase compared to February. The spring market has not let us down, and we are not following the patterns of our southern neighbors as we typically have. This is great news. We are now also at 50 days on market in March, which has come down from 71 in January and 53 in February. Out on the field, I can see this as we are seeing multiple offers, a busy market bumping into other realtors showing the same listings, and we've also noticed an increase on activity on the listings that we have currently on the market. However, it is still key to have your property listed appropriately, even though things are looking good. It has not made a full recovery, and we are still definitely in a buyer's market. The bulk of sales in Edmonton and area in the $300,000 to $399,000 range is at 34%, and $200,000 to $299,000 at 21.44% of all sales. And in the $400,000 to $499,000, we're at 12.5% of all sales to date. The average sold price in Edmonton is $380,847, up last month 5.6%, and from last year 2.68%. As a buyer, this means it's still a great time to take advantage of the market. As a seller, things are looking better as your chances of selling have increased and prices are slowly starting to rise again. This has been a promising month of March, and April continues to so far hold the same pattern. So be sure to tune in next month when I update you on the market stats. Thanks for watching.